Do an 8-minute workout before bed and see what happens in a month. If you just can't find time during the day to exercise, this bedtime workout will help you stay fit, flexible, and fabulous. You'll go to bed feeling refreshed, you'll sleep better, and your muscles will be nice and relaxed by morning. Keep watching to follow along with this low-impact workout. It's quick and easy, there's no equipment needed, and you can squeeze it in before sleep. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on the bright side of life. You'll start with a quick warm-up, which is necessary even when doing light and easy exercises. Warm-up, arm circles and high knees. Arm circles. The clock will be set at 30 seconds. Start by doing arm circles. Stand with your back straight. Bring your arms over your head. As you lower them, make your palms face downward and move them away from your chest toward your back. Breathe in as you bring your arms up and breathe out as you lower them. This move will help loosen up your shoulders, neck, and chest. High knees. The clock will be set at 30 seconds. Stand tall and set your feet in a comfortable position. Raise your right knee so that your leg is at a 90-degree angle. Now switch to the other leg and keep switching at a quick pace. To make sure you're bringing your knee high enough, you can bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle and touch your knee to your hand. To make this move harder, add a slight jump to the exercise. You'll look like you're running in place while you bring your knees up high. Main workout. Squats. Now let's get started with the proper workout. The clock will be set at 60 seconds. Do as many squats as you can in this time period. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. As you squat, make sure your back is straight and that your knees don't extend beyond your feet. The key is to push your hips back and go as low as you can. If that's too difficult, you can place a chair behind you to balance yourself. Simply touch the chair lightly with your glutes and then head back up. Don't use the chair to bounce though. Squats are a great full-body exercise because they work your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, calves, core, and abs. Donkey kicks. You'll need to get down on all fours here. You can use a mat for better comfort and to protect your knees. The clock will be set at 60 seconds. Raise your right leg behind you. Your leg should be raised high enough that it's parallel to the floor and forms a 90-degree angle. Make sure your hands are directly under your shoulders. Now switch legs and keep going. If you need to rest, take a 10-second break in the middle and then get back to it. Your back should be straight and not curved at all as you raise your leg. Avoid using momentum and letting your leg drop back down, as you'll be missing out on the workout if you do. Keep the movement controlled. If you wish you had glutes that were more toned, this is the exercise to do. Donkey kicks will tone, tighten, and strengthen your buttocks. Push-ups. Now get ready for some push-ups. The clock will be set at 60 seconds. Your form is crucial when it comes to push-ups. Start in a plank position and make sure your hands are shoulder width apart. As you lower your body, make sure your back is straight and that your glutes are not sticking out. For an easier approach, you can modify the exercise by letting your knees rest on the floor. Whether you're doing the standard push-up or the modified version, this move is a great strength training exercise that will work your chest muscles, shoulders, triceps, and arms. It will also strengthen your core. Squat and side crunch. Now stand up. Put your hands behind your head and keep your arms wide open. Stand in a wide stance with your toes facing out. The clock will be set at 60 seconds. Lower your body into a wide squat. Your legs should almost be at 90 degrees. As you stand up, lift your right leg and bend your core to the right so that your knee and elbow meet. Bring your leg down and return to the original squat position. Now do it on the other side and keep going. This move will target your abdominals and work on your oblique muscles. It's a great exercise to get rid of love handles. Plank ups. Back to the floor. Get down into a plank position. The clock will be set at 60 seconds. Lower your right forearm to the mat and then your left forearm. Now press up with your right hand and then your left to lift yourself into the original position. Keep going and do as many as you can. Remember to hold the proper plank position, the same one you used for push-ups. Your hands should go where your elbows were. Your head, neck, and spine should be aligned. Keep your abs engaged and tight. This is a killer move that will strengthen your core, and it will also tone up your arms, shoulders, glutes, and abdominals. If this is too intense, try holding an elbow plank position. Hold yourself up by your forearms for as long as you can. Standing crossover toe touches. Stand with your feet wider than your hips. The clock will be set at 60 seconds. Extend your arms to your sides. Rotate your torso to the right. With your left hand, reach for the area in front of your right foot. Do the same on the opposite side. This move involves your lower back and targets your abdominals and obliques. It will improve your flexibility and strength. If you find it difficult to wind down before bed, this exercise will work wonders. A great part of this entire exercise routine is that it's low impact. So this exercise is safe if you have problems with your knees. And if you live in an apartment, you don't have to worry about waking up your downstairs neighbor at 10 p.m. Cool down, quadricep stretch and rhomboid stretch. It's important to take the time to cool down after any exercise. The clock will be set at 30 seconds. Do a quick quadricep stretch. Bring your right foot up to your glutes and hold it in place with your hand. You'll stretch the quadriceps and your legs will feel great. Now switch sides. Doing this cool down will ensure that your muscles are nice and loose for when you get up in the morning. Now try doing a rhomboid stretch. The clock will be set at 30 seconds. Put your right arm across your chest and use your left hand to pull your arm closer to your chest. You'll feel your shoulder blades parting gently. Now try it on the other side. Whether you're an early riser and the first thing you do is head to the gym, or you prefer to exercise after you have some food in your system, people who exercise enjoy better sleep than those who don't. According to the National Sleep Foundation, people who exercise lightly see a 49% increase in quality of sleep. So these exercises are perfect for a refreshing night. You can do them while watching a late-night show, or you can concentrate on the movements for higher accuracy. Remember that getting exercise into your routine is better than no exercise at all. So tell us,